I am Eka Palo and these are the garden chairs from my camping ground series. Here I am now, picking them up. The chairs in my boot. They're 17 mils. 17, 17, and then this rod to attach it. Got my tools set up, let's go. Drive up. Perfect. And what I do is I bolt it halfway and then I take it out. Why? Because sometimes the bolt gets stuck in the socket and it's so hard to get out. So just undo it a little bit. Other side. See that? See, it becomes so hard. What you do in this case, remove the socket. Screw it back in and then check it out. There we go. Immediately put the nuts in the box so you don't lose them.
This is how we do it.